Kate here at WTI. Now, if you want to be able to grill all year long, regardless of the temperature or weather outside, you need to get yourself this awesome indoor electric grill from Cusimax. What makes this so cool is that it comes with two different plates. You have a grill plate and a griddle, so you can do so much on this. It has a really nice fitting lid. It has a drip tray in the bottom. It's adjustable from 200 to 450 degrees. So useful for so many different things. Now, my first thought when I saw the griddle plate was how would the grease not get onto the heating elements? But it's super cool because the plates are actually formed to fit around the element, so nothing gets on them. So I thought that was really well thought out. It also has a built-in fan, which really helps to reduce the smoke. You almost get none, so that makes it ideal for indoors. It washes up like a dream. It really is non-stick. I've left it dirty overnight, and in the morning, I just really have to run some water over it and everything falls off. So that makes me very happy. So simple to use, works very, very well, really nicely designed. If you are looking for an indoor grill, an indoor griddle, 2-in-1, I think you'll really love this one, and that's my point of view.